As UX designers, we've spent the last 2 decades comforting ourselves with a grand illusion, the illusion of the fixed user journey. We map every edge case. We sketch every state. We police pixel-perfect design tokens as if the screen is a static canvas. But let's be brutally honest with ourselves. We aren't actually designing user experiences anymore. We are designing rigid mazes and forcing humans to walk through them. Right now, a massive, silent tectonic shift is happening under our feet. We are moving from visual-first design to logic-first design. The era of the static wireframe is officially dead. Interfaces are about to stop being built by us and start assembling themselves in real time based on pure user intent. Think about it. Why should a senior data analyst and a first-time store manager look at the exact same dashboard layout? In the next wave of product design, they won't. We are entering the age of generative UI. The interface will evaluate the user's immediate context, emotional packing, environmental constraints, and explicit goals, and then structurally compose the layout on the fly. If a system detects an operational emergency, it won't just send a notification. It will completely re-architect the grid. It will surface critical diagnostic tools, hide secondary analytics, and morph input fields to reduce cognitive load to zero. The UI becomes a liquid that fills the exact shape of the user's immediate need. So, if the machine is assembling the layout, what is our job? Your value is no longer in drawing the box. Your value is in defining the rules of the sandbox. The future UX designer is a system architect. We will design semantic guardrails. We will write the structural logic that dictates how components behave, how typography scales dynamically to protect accessibility, and how brand values remain uncompromised when the layout shifts. We aren't managing pixels, we are managing constraints. If you don't know how to translate human psychological models into structural logic, you'll find yourself locked out of the next generation of product teams. But here is the twist that no one is talking about, and it's the biggest challenge your agency or product team will face: the paradox of familiarity. If an interface changes every single time a user opens it, it destroys their muscle memory. It shatters their sense of control. The ultimate UX challenge of our generation is balancing dynamic optimization with cognitive predictability. How do we create interfaces that constantly evolve, yet still feel deeply familiar? How do we design system transparency so users trust a machine that is changing the rules of the screen in real time? The companies that win this decade won't be the ones with the flashiest AI features. They will be the ones who figure out how to make fluid, generative experiences feel safe, accessible, and profoundly human. Stop sketching screens. Start designing intent. The future of UX is unmapped.